Hello everyone, I'm Divya and I'm here to present my project report on promotional performance analysis for Atliq Mart. So, let's get started. This project focuses on evaluating promotional performance of Atliq Mart, a retail giant with over 50 supermarkets in southern region of India, recently conducted a massive promotion during Diwali 2023 and Sankranti 2024. And this analysis will provide actionable insights from sales and the promotional data of Atliq Mart to enhance their marketing strategy for their next promotional period. Well, along with the insights, the senior executive of Atliq Mart have some business questions that require to run some SQL query. So here is the evaluations of ad hoc requests. Number one is list product price over 500 that are featured in promo type buy one get one free to identify valuable item with big discount, helping evaluate pricing and promotion strategy. So there are two product with price over 500 and feature in buy one get one free promotion. Number one is Atliq waterproof immersion rod of 1000 and 11,090 rupees, and Atliq double bedsheet set of rupees 1020 rupees. Number two is generate a report listing cities and their respective store count, store by descending order of the store presence to optimize retail operation. So here we can see that the Bangalore has the highest number of store, followed by Chennai and Hyderabad, whereas Trivandrum and Vijayawada has the lowest number of stores. Number three is generate a report showing each campaign's total revenue before and after promotion, helping assess the financial impact of promotional campaign. So we can see that there is a positive impact of promotion because during both the campaign, we can see that the revenue after promotion is higher as compared to the revenue before promotions. Number fourth is generate a report calculating ISU percentage, that is incremental sold unit percentage for each category during the Diwali campaign along with rankings. This will help assess category wise success and impact of campaign on incremental sales. Category analysis during Diwali campaign based on increment ISU percentage and ranking. So here we can see that the home appliances and home care has the highest ISU percentage, whereas grocery and staple has the lowest ISU percentage. Fifth, and the last one is generate a report listing the top 5 product by incremental revenue percentage across all the campaigns, providing product name, category, and IR revenue percentage. This assists in identifying successful product for optimization. So here is a list of top 5 product with the high incremental revenue percentage. So we can see that Atliq immersion rod, and Atliq bulb, Atliq double bedsheet set, and Atliq curtains and Atliq farm chikiata are the top 5 product with the higher incremental uh, s- revenue percentage. Now let's talk about the dashboard. So first is the store performance analysis. So here we can see that there is a positive impact of promotion because there is an increase in revenue after promotion as compared to the revenue before promotion, as well as there is an increase in quantity sold after promotion as compared to the quantity sold before promotion. And here are the top 10 product by incremental revenue, and here are the stores, top 10 stores by incremental revenue, and here are the top 10 stores by incremental sold unit. And here we can see the bottom 10 stored by incremental revenue and bottom 10 stored by incremental sold unit. Now, here we can see the state with highest incremental revenue percentage. So we can see that the Madurai, Chennai, Bengaluru have the highest incremental revenue percentage, whereas Mangalore and Vishakhapatnam has the lowest incremental revenue percentage. So, and here we have stores with the category based top three category based on incremental revenue. So the store with the we can see that in almost every store the highest incremental revenue is bring by combo 1, grocery and staple, and home appliances. Now let's move on to the promotional type analysis. So here we can see the incremental revenue by promo type. First, promo type 500 cashback brings the highest incremental revenue, and followed by the buy one get one free promo type. But when it's come to the discount based promo type, we can see that these promo type did not work so well for Atliq Mart. And now let's talk about the incremental units sold by promo type. So the highest incremental unit sold by the buy one get one free promo type, followed by the cashback 500 cashback. Again, here we can see that the discount based promo type did not work so well when it's come to the incremental unit sold, and especially the 25 percentage off. Here is the campaign analysis. So we can see that the Diwali brings a higher incremental revenue as compared to the Sakranti, where when it's come to the incremental sold quantity, Sakranti have higher has higher incremental sold unit as compared to the Diwali. And again, we can see that the discount based promo type did not work very well in both the campaigns, whereas 500 cashback and buy one get one free promo type work quite well. Now let's move on to the product and category analysis. Okay, so here is the pre and the post promo revenue analysis. We can see there is a positive impact of promotion because there is an increase in promotion revenue after promotion as compared to the revenue before promotion. So the AP here stands for after promotion and BP here stands for before promotion. And when it's come to the incremental revenue percentage, so home appliances show us the highest incremental revenue percentage. Now, pre and post promo quantity sold analysis. Again, we can see the positive impact of promotions because the quantity sold before promotion uh, after promotion is higher when it's compared to the quantity sold before promotion. And again, we can see that the home appliances bring highest percentage of incremental sold unit, higher brings the highest incremental sold unit percentage. Now here we can see the bottom 5 product with ISU. So, and here are the bottom 5 product with incremental revenue. We can see the top 5 product by incremental sold unit and top 5 product by incremental revenue. So now let's talk about the insights from this analysis. For number 1 is store insights. So prioritize category with the highest incremental revenue, including combo 1, groceries, staples, and home appliances, and concentrate effort on cities with the highest incremental revenue percentage, such as Madurai, Chennai, and Bengaluru. Second is promotion type insights. So, as we know that the cashback and buy one get one free promo type brings the highest, not only brings the good incremental revenue, but as well as they have shown a positive impact on unit sold. So it is good to capitalize on these promotion. And next is to avoid discount based promotions because we can see they did not work so well for Atliq Mart. And third is focus on maximizing revenue during Diwali compared to Sakranti by finding promotional strategy for this key period, because we can see that the Diwali brings more revenue as compared to the Sakranti. And the last one is for product and category analysis. So allocate resource toward category with the highest incremental revenue growth, such as home appliances and home care. And number two is focus on product like Atliq waterproof immersion rod, Atliq LED bulb, and Atliq double battery set to capitalize on their strong revenue contribution. Lastly, I want to thanks to Code Basics for their amazing resume project challenge, and thank you all for listening to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.